Hey, Spike here in the shop today, and today I'm going to show you how I made these handy couplings here to put these 4-inch fence posts together to make my dust collector system. So hang around and watch that. Yep, gonna get it done. Stick with me. I guess it's Happy New Year. Y'all hear that, don't you? It's either that or the OK Corral. Yeah, it's New Year's. They're all getting it over here at the lake and having their fireworks. I'm working in the shop, and it's what makes me the happiest. I was trying to figure out how to make my dust collection system, and this is going to take a little while, so this is the beginning of it, the first day. But I started off with, I found some of this 4-inch vinyl fence post that I had around back, and you can see how long it is over there, and I got 6 or 8 of them around there. They're free, and they're 4.5 by 4.5 on the inside, which is about 20 square inches of space, and a 4-inch round pipe's about 12.5 inches of space. So as far as flowing, this will flow more air smoother. I decided I'd make some 90-degree elbows for it. So y'all look at that nice smooth elbow with a swoop in it, long sweep. That's a pain in the butt, so we ain't doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to connect 3 of these pieces of pipe together to go from that corner straight across my shop to that corner. So that's 20 feet across, and we're going to just go ahead and do this pretty much all the way across and stop right before the wall on that side. So, and then I'm going to cut fittings into it, take some of these and drop them off that main line as it goes by, and drop down with the flex and catch each thing. And I've only got like 3 things to catch. So I got my radio alarm saw and my 2 shot smiths and the CNC when I get it put back in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the shot smiths have got like, well, 7 things that's got to be caught dust on. So that's going to be an adventure all in itself right there. So yeah, this is the beginning of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a way to connect these pipes together. And they're PVC, and I probably could try to glue them, but there ain't no slip fit or anything. But I don't see it happening. I think I'm going to make me some sleeves that go around the outside, and then just put them around the outside, and when I get ready to clamp them right to it. So maybe 2 rivets to hold it on or something like that. So we'll see if we can make one of them and get it shape fit, and we'll see if we can work plastic with a heat gun. Let's go for it. What I want to do is I want to shape this to where I can make a coupling to go around this, but 2 pieces of this pipe together, because like I say, I got a bunch of it around there. This is just one I pulled out to work with. But we're going to do that, and we're going to heat it up and go right around that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a clamp on the darn thing right here where it goes around this corner, but I'm going to overlap it just a little bit. When I got ready to push that down, you know what I thought about? I should have got my gloves out. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought about when I done that. You learn a lesson when you make something, so you make the next ones better, right? So what I figured out is I wanted to make this lip this way quite a bit bigger, so I'd have more room to bend it and make a prettier bend on it and make a better seam. And then the other thing I wanted to do is make a little more effort to make sure that I started off with this real square on the block, so it'd come out a little more square, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I've been told before, if you start square, you'll end square, and I guess I didn't start square on that first one, so it didn't end quite as square as I wanted it to. But we're just going to clamp that right there now that we got it square, and I'll get back to work and make some more. We'll see y'all after a while. Okay, I figured out how to make this production go a lot smoother, so y'all watch this one. This is the way you do this now, I've learned. We're going to heat the bottom of it up real good. I got my glove on this time too, see? We're going to heat this one up real good from the bottom. I'm letting that one over there set up right now. Heat the bottom up till it kind of raises up. See it bow it up? Now as soon as it bows, we'll start up here and put the heat to it. It's going to roll down. And I want a nice crisp corner, so I'm going to get it nice and warm where to pull this corner nice and hot. You're going to ask me, how hot is that? I said, I don't know. But it just about puts itself in place once you get the heat to it like this. Watch it go. There we go. Heat it up so it just lays there right quick smooth. Pop the gun off and give it a hand, get the hand on it and pull it tight. Get nice and tight on that corner, hold it there till it cools down. As soon as it cools a little bit, you can move the clamp over here and grab it again right there. Now let's get this out of the way. That's in my way right now where I can't work. Now this is one of these couplings I made, guys, and you just kind of spring it open here. And it is tight. So it's about like a coupling on a piece of PVC pipe. If you pop that thing open, you can get it off, but once you let it go and it tightens back up, I mean, it's locked. I'm starting to build up a little supply of them over there. Y'all see them going? So I got this one to make right here, and I should be all I need to make this project go, but I just want to see how I'm making them now. So here we go. We're going to make the rest of these bends right quick. We're just going to roll it. Y'all see that? Smooth, huh? Hold it there long enough to reach and get it with the clamp. We'll roll it again. We're going to put it together one more time. Now we got to cut this off so when it folds over it won't go too far. So I already know from doing all these others that it's 4 3/8 inches from this right here out. So we'll do that. And then we'll do this and draw us a straight line. Okay. Let's take a little grinder down here. I'm going to put a little heat in the bottom again. Get that off right quick while we're doing it. Pull it forward, make sure it's in the brackets good because I've been pushing on it with that grinder. So we're going to put some heat in the bottom. Boom. It's New Year's, guys. Can y'all hear it? I ain't getting shot at over here. I ain't getting shot at. That's the fireworks. It's the New Year. I'm out here in the shop working. I like it out here. You know, it's the only place I don't get anybody to argue with me. Is in here and I argue with myself. Y'all like that? We're going to move the clamps to here, but we're going to move them back to the back so they don't get in our way of this flap coming up. We're going to do the same on this side. You know how I know that? Because I've done it, hit them. Now we're just going to fold this over right here. Going to heat it up, fold it over. Ready? Let's get that done. We're going to start on the inside again. Let it bow out a little bit, but we're going to hold it so it don't run too far. Because it's trying to relax that other joint down there. That's what it's trying to do. Now we're going to go to the outside and finish this off, make it walk. Make sure I pull that up and get it tight before I pull this over. But I want to make sure I get it good and hot so it'll make a nice crisp end. So we can get a nice seal on it. There we go. We're on there. Move this over here now and hold that while it's sitting, while it's cooling off. Not put much pressure on it. I don't want it to form it. I'm just holding it on there. Okay, part one of the dust collection's done. That's how I make them, and that's what I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna slide them on here like this, snap them on, maybe put one rivet right here, some silver tape around it, and run it right across that wall. So hey, if you got any ideas on the dust collection system you want to share with me, mostly about how to capture the dust on a shop smith. The bandsaw doesn't have anything to catch dust, and well, I ain't even started thinking about running the lathe because I know what that mess will be like. But yeah, the sander's got a port, so I should be able to get most of that. I'm making something for the drill press, but that saw, I definitely got to figure out something on. And I got a few other things. Radio alarm saw, I've already made something, but it ain't quite working. I got to add on to it. So hey, y'all stick with me, come around next time, and I want to let you know I'll appreciate you. Hey, hit the thumbs up, yeah, hit that dingy button and all them things they say. If you ain't subscribed, please do. And go over to Spike's Prospecting Equipment. I got a lot of craziness going on over there where I make the gold prospecting equipment. But hey, appreciate you coming by, and I want you to know this. God loves you, and so do I, and we'll see you on the next one. Because we got to get to part two of this thing, getting this pipe across this wall and putting some drops in it and hooking it all. Well, you know how it is. We've got a lot to do. But right now, I got a stack of couplings to put all my pipe together with, all stacked up here ready to go. So yeah, we can get busy putting this pipe up is what we're going to get doing. So that's coming next. See y'all on the next one.